The Cornell Craft Beverage Institute is designed to be a clearinghouse for technical expertise for producers of all types of fermented craft beverages in New York and really on the East Coast. So everything from wine to beer to cider to distilled spirits.
I like to think of us as the pit crew for the race car that is the craft beverage industry. I'd like to think that we are an essential part of their success when it comes to helping to solve problems.
All the information that we can get out of Cornell, we try to use and apply it. There's so many different aspects to viticulture and to enology, the making of wine, the growing of the grapes, that we're always trying to tap into what's new. We want to know all that, and our biggest asset is Cornell.
We really want to ensure that the craft beverage that consumers are enjoying is the highest possible quality.
We can do everything here from lab analysis to sensory evaluation to workshops and short courses.
As a winemaker, I'm always trying to make better wine. My friends and colleagues at Cornell, they're unbelievable founts of knowledge.
They have all sorts of different winemaking and cider making classes, but also the research side of things. So they have a lot of apple research and as well as specific cider research that really isn't happening anywhere in the world right now. So it's amazing to have that in your backyard.
We really love what we do. We love to produce, we love to work with producers, we love to ferment things, and we just really enjoy the product that we work with and the people that we work with. We're really happy to be able to not only provide these services, but to be in the position where we are to interact with the industry.
We're the Cornell Craft Beverage Institute.
We ferment things.
And distill things.